Welcome to your 5-minute firmers. Today, it's all about our waistline to slim and trim the waist. So let's get started. First of all, just bring your knee towards your chest, standing up nice and tall. That's it. Pull your abs in, good posture. Clasp your hands behind you. That's it. Now really lengthen through the abdominal wall. And now we're gonna add our waistline twist. Just waistline twist. That's it. Standing abs. Great. Work that waistline, your oblique muscles. That's great. Now pull the belly button in. Hollow it out. That's great. Pull it in. Zip up those abs. Work the waistline muscles. Perfect. 2 more. You got it. Last one. And release. Now pull your arms forward and crunch inside. That's it. Just pull across. This is it. Come on. 5 minutes is very effective in target toning. Work the waistline. These are cinching in muscles. That's it. Cinch in that waistline. Pull it in. Great. Your powerhouse. The waistline and core. You got it. We got 2 more. Just crunch it. Good. Last one. Beautiful. Let's go the other side. Reach first and pull across. That's it. Pull in front. Cinch in that waistline. Great. I love this one. I do it all the time because it works. Pull it in. Come on, get those beautiful abs. Trim or slim waistline. Pull it across. 2 more. Last one. Okay, and just circle the hips now. Just circle your hips. Tighten up the abs. Work the waistline all the way around. Circle it. And now reverse. All the way around. Great for all areas of the waist. That's it. Good. Last one. Great. Okay, come on down. We're gonna first begin with sides of the waist. Cinching in your waist by going right here. Lean slightly back, keep your elbows slightly bent, and pull in. It's working those waistline muscles. Yes. Cinch in that waist, lose an inch around the belt. Come on. You can do it. Pull. Make sure your abs are working here too, the sides of the waistline. 2 more. Last one. Okay, take a breather. Inhale and exhale. Let's turn to the side, the other side. Reach your legs out. Pull in and out. That's it. Great. Cinch in that waistline. You can do it. You can pull your body in and up. Good posture. Belly button in. Great. Work the sides of the waist. Come on, you could do it. Last one. Great. Okay, come on all the way down now. Slowly come down. And now bring your chest up and switch legs. Just switch and switch. Beautiful. Now we're gonna add the bicycle to this. The twist, the twist. Great. Beautiful, working the waistline, major oblique workout. Also, you're working a little lower tummy. Good. We got 2 more. We got 1 more. Great. Okay. Relax your neck. Relax your body. Now slowly lift your head and shoulders up. We're gonna reach through and reach through. Okay? Now we're really focusing on these waistline oblique muscles. Press the belly button down into the floor, lower back is flat into the ground, and you're just twisting side to side, which is different than a regular sit-up. That's why we're getting those oblique muscles, getting nice, beautiful, sculpted abs, working the sides of the waistline. We got 2 more. Last one, and release. Hands on the outside of your mat, bringing your knees up about hip width apart and about over your hips, and then slowly go down to one side and use your abs to bring you up and over to the other side. It's a stretch as well as a target toner. Really feel it in the sides of the waistline. Just do the best that you can. Last one. Okay, slowly roll up. Let me see your beautiful face. Smile, inhale up, and exhale out. Give yourself a big hand. You did it.